Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Brian Barnagazzi. I hear Beast Postcode have been prowling around outside the village. If they try to start something, they'll have to deal with me. So, just in case there was something else there. What? Beasts are attacking. Well, beast it up and drink up to keep your strength up. The beasts have made it into the village. I don't think I'll be able to make it home. It's too scary. I heard someone's been seeing beasts in the village. Is it true? Surely gritty creatures like them wouldn't bother attacking a little village like ours. I don't need anything here right now. Just doing last minute stuff. Never know.
Otto, have the beasts really been spotted? But why would they keep attacking Boroki? We're just a village. We're just a little village.
Well, we're not that small, but yeah. I mean, if you were that little, believe me, you wouldn't have so many buildings. You'd only have about, maybe 1, 2, even 4 at max. You know, maybe a little small, tiny little deal, but not that many buildings. I don't really want to get into a battle unless I've got somebody else with me. I think I do have somebody with me, actually. There we go. Wait a minute, are you sure you're not a girl? Well, whatever. So we gotta go inside the old... A major trial awaits you to do... No. We don't want to go over there. You seriously don't want me to go over there? Is it true the beasts are attacking the village? If I were a bit younger, I'd take them all on myself. Well, you know. I asked you.
Aldo, you just the man I was looking for. I heard someone saw a beast on the road. Is that true?
Well, I guess not. Get out of here. The mayor's house. What the... Grandpa? Rams, are you okay? What happened here? Where's Feeny? Otto. The beast folk. They took Feeny. I'm sorry. They were too strong for me. What? Why would they do that? I don't know. Hurry, Daddy. They can't have gone far. You may have yet to save. You may have yet to be able to save her. What about you? I can't just leave you alone like this. It's not as bad as it looks. I'll be fine once I get a little rest. Please, Otto. Alright, I'll go after the beast. I'll bring Feeny back, but I still don't want to have any children with her. Be careful, my boy. Feeny. You wait here, Grandpa. I will save Feeny. I'm gonna guess that we're probably gonna get defeated, so... Stop right there. And who might you be? I'm that girl's future boyfriend. I mean, brother, you creep. Feeny, are you okay? Ah, yes. Although, wasn't it? Sorry, boy. I'll be bothering your sister for a while. I have need of her power. It's the only thing that can eliminate the scourge that is humanity from this world. Are you out of your mind? There's no way Feeny has power like that. I don't have time to stand and chat. The truth of the situation would be wasted on a vermin like you. We'll see about that. No, don't do it. Resorting to violence already. Do you value your life so little, boy? Your Majesty, allow me to deal with this whelp. Stand down, Rares. I need you to keep an eye on the girl. As you wish, sire. As for you, it's about time you humans learned what true suffering is. I don't want to know where you were keeping that sword, so don't even, Step forward, boy. I hope you have something to back up all that aggression. Where'd that sword come from? That's a new sword. There's no way I'll let you take Feeny away. Yeah, we're not gonna survive this one. Humph! Is that all? Is that what you what passes for swordsmanship among humans? You'll have to do better than that to stand a chance against me. Is this a battlefield or a dance floor? You'll never pierce my armor with those shoddy attacks, boy. Fool! This is how you use the sword. I knew we couldn't stand against it. Getting tired, boy? How about we end this? Err. What is that growling? Huh? That sword at your waist. What's it doing? Is that Rancorum? Unbelievable! Where did you get your hands on that thing? You mean Orichalcum? Anyway. So the legends are true. The sword chooses its wielder. Yeah, though you who wanted the crush time, take up my power of much man. Slaughter the clan. Orichalcum, so that's your Orichalcum, so that's your name, huh? You're the one who called me? I have the power! Hey, not Heyman! Except not really. Hey, look who's back. You go, hey, what's with the sword now? It just changed. Things have gotten complicated. Various, take the girdle and go. Yes, sir. No, Freeney! Bring her back! Don't you take your eyes off your opponent. You and I still have a score to settle. That old hunk of steel won't save you. And that's where we will leave it. I'll see y'all next time. Until then, later.